So SS Mocha, Ice Mocha, also known as Shaded Ice Mocha, also known as RL8/12 SS. When you're looking at a Raquel Welch wig, if there's an RL in the color code, that means those are heat-friendly fibers, because Raquel Welch also makes regular synthetic. If you see an SS on it, that means shadow shades, that means it's rooted. So this is a rooted brunette. The rooting isn't very obvious because the base is an 8, which is a medium dark brown. So it doesn't really look rooted. What makes color so hard is the codes, while helpful, and I do have a blog post where I talk about color, and I have a blog index where I break down all the codes. So what is an 8? What's a 12? I break all of that down. I will link that blog post in the description box below, so you can go check that out if you're unfamiliar with the color codes. Note that those are synthetic and heat-friendly synthetic wig codes. Human hair is different. So you don't know necessarily the tone. So 2 wigs could have an 8. One, the tone was more of a reddish, warm, medium brown, medium dark brown. The other is more of a neutral, medium dark brown. That changes what the wig looks like dramatically. Then throw on top of it highlights. In this case, it's a 12. You don't know how much of the highlight was used. This one's very, very well blended, so you don't really see traditional visible highlights, but what it does is it lightens up the 8 a little bit. That's also going to make a huge difference. That's why I think reviews can be so helpful, because you don't know just from the swatch or from the codes. In the case of this one, the Shaded Iced Mocha, this is a very neutral brunette. Very neutral, not warm, not red, not auburn at all. There's no red in this one. It's also not ashy or cool. And for me, when I'm looking at a wig, if I kind of see gray tone, if I think in some lighting this gives off a gray hue, that's my trigger to say this is an ashy color or a cool color. If I see red, auburn, gold, that's telling me it's kind of a warm tone. I don't see any of that in this. It's a very beautiful, neutral, medium brown, but it's brightened up by the use of the 12 highlight, which is actually a light brown. In the description, it says kind of highlighted with some blonde, potentially, but it's not like your traditional blonde highlighting. Every now and then you get a little bit of a lighter pop, but it's not in your face highlights, which I love because not everybody wants that. It's a beautiful color. If you're a medium brunette, you don't like super dark browns, you don't really want blondes, you're sort of smack dab in the middle of the brunettes, and you kind of don't want red, you don't want ash, you just want sort of your basic neutral brown, but a bright, you want it kind of bright and light. That's this color. Beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and join me for another video.